everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sushmita and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I transform my hair from this to this. If you want to know how I achieved this salon kind of a blow dry look, then please keep watching till the end. So to start off with, I don't do a lot of heat styling or heat damage to my hair on a regular basis because these days I'm very much into heatless styling or like heatless curls. So I do this heat styling once every 2 weeks or maybe whenever I feel like doing it, or if I have to go for a party or any family function, or if I just want to look a little extra. If you haven't watched my heat styling tutorial, then please go ahead and watch it. I'll leave somewhere in the description box. If you also are trying to do heatless styling, then that video will be for you. So the star of the show is my Revlon hair styler. This is like a blow dry brush. This basically has this body and it has this attachment. You can like pull this and attach or detach this. I'm not sure why they gave this as an attachment. So I think they are going to release more attachments for this. That is why they have this kind of a model. It has cool, low, medium, high heat settings. And low, medium, high gives the temperature of the air that comes out. And this brush I got it from the US. I'll leave all the links in the description box, but I'm not sure if it is available in India. But I know few dupes are available in India for this Revlon brush. So one is the Allen Tumor one I saw on Nykaa, which retailed for around 2,500. And if you are looking for even cheaper alternative, there is a similar dupe I found on Amazon, which is for around $6.99 or something, which is great. I've not personally tried those brushes to tell you guys if it is actually good, but I've seen few reviews online which tell that these work quite similar to this one. Let me know if you want me to try the Amazon one, because I am also very interested to know if it is actually a dupe for this Revlon one. So whenever I feel like styling my hair with heat, this is how I do it. So let's go get this started. So every time I make sure I follow my hair care routine before heat styling or doing any sort of styling to my hair. When I say hair care routine, it includes hair oiling, mask and everything. If you are interested in knowing my hair care routine, I'll make a separate video on that. So these are few steps I follow even when I'm not heat styling my hair. So first one is the leave-in conditioner. This is from L'Oreal Dream Lens. So this is my go-to leave-in conditioner. I love it so much. It helps my hair retain that moisture because sometimes after shampoo the hair gets really dry and dull. So this helps maintaining my hair manageable, and it also cuts down on a little bit of frizz. It also claims that it can be used as a heat protectant, but I'm not sure of that. So what I would like to do is I part my hair into two when I'm applying this so that the product will evenly get distributed in my hair. Take a little bit of the leave-in serum on my hand and spread it all across my mid-lengths to the ends. And the next step I follow is a hair serum. So this is from Matrix and I've been using this serum since a very long time. I don't know when I even started using this. This is one of the best serums out there. This again makes my hair very manageable and tames the frizz like this. Like it controls the frizz even when it's humid. I really love this product. Again, take some on my hand and apply it on my lens and mid-lengths. It's like a serum oil, but still it is not greasy, it is not sticky. It is pretty much absorbing on the hair. So after my serum, I make sure I use the heat protectant, because without that, the heat tools that we use damage our hair so much. It cuts down on the heat damage and protects our hair. So do not forget to use a heat protectant whenever you are using heat. Even if I'm casually blow drying my hair, I definitely use this one. This is the Toni & Guy heat protectant. Again, a very good product. It's basically like a sunscreen for our hair. So we know how important a sunscreen is, and so is a heat protectant. So before I go with my Revlon hair styler, I blow dry my hair with my hair dryer for up to 90% dry hair, because I want my hair to be damp, not wet. So with this brush, what I like to do is when I part my hair, I go with smaller sections first and I kind of brush through my hair. I make sure I pull my hair upwards to get a little bit of volume, and at the end I try to twist the brush to kind of create a curl. It is something I saw online and I found it really helpful with this brush. So this particular brush, as I got it from the US, it is not compatible with the Indian voltage. So I use a step down transformer to connect it. It is very simple, it is not a big of a hassle. Usually I like to go with the low speed or a cool speed because the cool is actually not very cool. It is like a warm air. So low and cool pretty much works for me. After straightening and styling my hair, I like to use the serum a little bit on the ends, make my hair look even more smoother. So that's it. This is how I do it, and this is how I achieve this salon kind of a blow dry look. It is a very simple blow dry routine that I follow, and it is very effective. I don't like to complicate any process. Even with my hair care or skin care, I like to keep it very simple. I'll share all the links in the description box so that you can find them online. I hope you guys liked this video and found it informative because I tried to give all the information in this one video. I don't know if it is going to be a very long video, that is why I haven't added my hair care routine. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you do not want to miss out on my content. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!